Hi, hello bachcho. Welcome back to my channel Maths Lageraho. In today's class we are learning inverse trigonometric functions, remaining MCQ questions dear students. So now before solving those questions, we must know this table dear students. So your functions are given sin inverse x, cos inverse x, tan inverse x, cot inverse x, cosec inverse and sec inverse x dear students. Those domains are given and range or PVB. PVB means what? Principal value branch dear students. Principal value branch is called as what? PVB dear students. Principal value branches are given. So by using this table we will solve some questions dear students. So now let us see the question number 21. The principal value branch PVB, principal value branch they are asking. What the question is asked, please see the question properly, go through the question properly dear students. Whatever strikes on mind, don't write. Whether they had asked domain or range or principal value branch dear students. You must know that question, what they had asked. They had asked range means, principal value branch means you have to write this one. Domain means you have to write this one. और ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಬೇಕು, ರೇಂಜ್ ಕೇಳಿದಾರೋ ಅಥವಾ ಡೊಮೇನ್ ಕೇಳಿದಾರೋ, वो क्या पूछा है, रेंज पूछा है क्या डोमेन पूछा है, वो पहला आप समझना है. Got it? So now see here, the principal value branch, that means range they are asking. The principal value branch of f of x is equal to sin inverse x. What is the principal value branch of sin inverse x dear students? Sin inverse x principal value branch is what? Closed interval. See that square bracket is there. Closed interval minus 92 plus 90 dear students. This is our required answer. That is matching with what? Option A. It is not matching because see here open interval are there. Here closed interval are there. ಇವಕ್ಕೆ ಓಪನ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ, ಈ ತರ ಬರ್ದಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ತರ. ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ, ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ಸ್. So that's why here it is square brackets dear students. Our option will matching with C dear students. C is our correct answer. So another question we have written here only. We'll see the next question also. Question number 22. The domain of f of x is equal to what? Sin inverse x they had asked. So what is the domain of sin inverse x? Sin inverse x domain is what? Minus 1 to 1. So our option is matching with what? D dear students. So please copy these two questions. I hope you have understood. We'll go for the next question dear students. Please copy this one. Let us continue the next question dear students. Question number 23. The principal value branch of f of x is equal to cos inverse x. Principal value branch they are asked. What is the principal value branch of cos inverse x? Cos inverse x is here. They had not asked you domain. Auru domain kelilla. Principal value branch they had asked. So what is the answer dear students? 0 to pi. So answer ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Closed interval 0 to pi आगता है. क्या होता है? Closed interval 0 to pi, because they had asked you principal value branch, not domain dear students. Domain means minus 1 to 1 closed interval. Here it is what? Principal value branch is 0 to pi. Where which option? That is matching with option D dear students. So D is our answer. So another question is there, one more we will see. The principal value branch of f of x is equal to tan inverse x. What is the principal value branch? PVB. Principal value branch of tan inverse x is what? Tan inverse x principal value branch will come here. So that is open interval. Open interval. You can see here like this it is there. Open interval. So this is closed interval. Open interval minus 92 plus 90. Open interval एलिंदा एलिदे minus 92 plus 90. Open interval 90 से plus 90 तक है. दोनों तरफ open interval. ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ open interval ಇದೆ. So then what is our answer here? Open interval minus 92 plus 90, that is there in option A dear students. Don't take C. It is closed interval. Got it? So option A is our correct answer. We'll go for the next question. Please copy this one. I hope all of you are copied. We'll go for the next question dear students. So if you are understanding something from this video, please like my channel, because each like will inspire me to do the next video dear students. So we are not asking any money for you. So just we require inspiration. So inspiration will come from you only dear students. if you like the channel, dear students. So please help me and I hope you will do it. Fine, we will go for the next questions. Let us see the next question. Question number 25. The domain of f of x is equal to tan inverse x. Domain of f of x is equal to tan inverse x. What is the domain, dear students? Domain of tan inverse x is domain means this only, that is real number. Domain is what here? Tan inverse x is real number, but real number is not there here. They are given in what? Intervals, dear students. So real number means we will write like this, dear students. Real number is nothing but open interval minus infinite to plus infinite. This is what real number is represented in intervals, dear students. So now minus infinite to plus infinite, open interval. Which option is there? We have to see here. That is option matching with what, dear students? C. Don't tick it as B. If you tick it as B, we will get 0 marks, dear students. Not you people. Even I will also get 0 only. If you are failed means I have also failed only, dear students. So that's why please tick it as properly. Open interval minus infinite to plus infinite. Got it? So that's why our option is what? C only, dear students. Got it? So next question we'll see. 26 is here only. The domain of f of x is equal to cot inverse x. What is the domain of cot inverse x? Cot inverse x is here. Domain is what, dear students? Real number. Again real number means its interval is what? Minus infinite to plus infinite. That is the option again matching with what? C only, dear students. So C is our correct answer. I hope you are understanding. So now 27th you see here. One more question I have written. The principal value branch of f of x is equal to cot inverse x. What is the principal value branch of what? Cot inverse x, dear students. So cot inverse x principal value branch PVB. Principal value branch is what? Open interval 0 to pi, dear students. Open interval what? 0 to pi. Open interval 0 to pi is in which option, dear students? That is there in B. B is our correct answer. B for bingo is our correct answer, dear students. I hope you have understood this. So please copy this. We'll continue the questions. I hope all of you have copied. Now let us see the next question, dear students. So question number 28. The range of sec inverse of x is what? So sec inverse x range. See the word they had changed. Just before how they had asked principal value branch, they had asked or not? ಇಷ್ಟೊತ್ತನ ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು? प्रिंसिपल वैल्यू ब्रांच ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಈಗ ವರ್ಡ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ? ರೇಂಜ್ ಅಂತ ಆಗಿದೆ. अभी तक जो भी क्वेश्चंस आया था ना, वो क्या आया था? प्रिंसिपल वैल्यू ब्रांच आया था. अब क्या पूछ रहे हैं? रेंज करके पूछ रहे हैं. देखो क्वेश्चन में कैसा ट्विस्ट कर रहा है, हमको उल्लू बना रहे हैं. But they don't know our students are not ullus. Got it? So they are chalus. So now the range of sec inverse x is what? That is sec inverse x range is what? Range they had asked, not domain. Range is what? Closed interval 0 to pi minus 90, dear students. So closed interval 0 to pi minus 90. Which is the option? We have to check here. Closed interval 0 to pi minus 90 is option C, dear students. So C for chalu is our answer, dear students. So this is not our answer because it's an open interval. Got it? So next question we'll see 29. The principal value branch of cosec inverse x is what? The principal value branch of cosec inverse x. Cosec inverse x principal value branch. See the again word they have changed. Range they had called it as principal value branch. Range ಗೆ ಮತ್ತು principal value branch ಗೆ ಏನು फर्क ಇಲ್ಲ, ಎರಡು ಒಂದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. So दोनों में कुछ भी फर्क नहीं है. Range और principal value branch दोनों सेम ही है. So just the name is different, that much. So the principal value branch of cosec inverse x is what? So that is minus 90 to plus 90 minus 0. Closed interval. So now see where it is there. So that is the option again C, dear students. So C is our correct answer. So let us see the next question. The domain of sec inverse x is what? The domain of sec inverse x. Sec inverse x domain. Can you see? R minus open interval minus 1 to 1. So that is there in option A, dear students. A is our correct answer. Even this question can be written as a domain R of minus 1 to 1 is there? No. So this can be written like this also. In options they may give like this. सर मत नहीं अनबार दो सर आप बताए नहीं हमको ऐसा नहीं बोलना ನನಗೆ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ so that's why I lost you don't say like that maths Lageraho is always with you so now this can be written as like this also see here minus 1 closed interval up to minus infinite open interval union plus 1 closed interval see there closed 1 to infinite. This is our answer dear students. This both the meaning says same only dear students. इवेरडू अर्थ ಒಂದೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ अर्थ आयता ये दोनों का मीनिंग एक ही होता है no change got it and don't tick it as C. Why C is not correct? C is here open interval can you see 1 and minus 1 it should be closed interval square bracket ಬರಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲೇ open ಇದೆ so that's why C is not correct answer dear students. Option is what A that is already there in the domain so it is given in standard only no problem fine so please copy this we'll see the next question dear students. I hope all of you are copied. We'll see the next question dear students. Question number 31 principal value of cos inverse of minus 1 by 2 is what? They are asking they are given 4 options for you so cos inverse of minus 1 by 2 first of all the range of cos inverse x just you have seen 0 to pi so you can't take minus outside cos inverse 1 by 2 when it will become minus minus is there outside so minus 60 you will say the answer no minus 60 will not come because cos inverse range is what 0 to pi dear students 0 ದಿಂದ 180 ಒಳಗಡೆನೇ ಇರಬೇಕು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನೀವು -60 ಬರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ so that's why what we have done you can't write -60 so cos inverse of x का range 0 से 180 में है you can't write -60 so that's why we are having a formula dear students one of the properties that cos inverse of minus x is nothing but pi minus cos inverse x dear students. Cos inverse of minus x how you can write pi minus cos inverse x if it is not coming in range we'll use this property dear students adu range alli barlilla andre ee property anna use ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ so then now see how to solve this one so cos inverse of minus 1 by 2 so cos inverse of minus x x means what 1 by 2 dear students minus is as it is only in place of x what it is here 1 by 2 so then I can write it as what pi minus cos inverse minus x has become plus x no minus 1 by 2 will become plus 1 by 2 dear students so pi minus cos inverse 1 by 2 when it will become you know see here cos inverse of when 1 by 2 will become cos 60 degree it will become pi by 3 dear students 60 degree means what pi by 3 pi by 3 is nothing but 60 degree only in radian we are writing so cos inverse of cos 60 degree is 1 by 2 cos inverse of cos x see here cos inverse of cos x is x only dear students so what is x here compare x is what pi by 3 so pi minus pi by 3 you can write so now how much you will get see 3 into pi 3 pi minus pi whole divided by 3 LCM so 3 pi minus pi 2 pi by 3 so this is our required answer this is there in our range also range of cos inverse is what 0 to 180 pi by 3 means what pi by 3 60 60 into 2 is what 120 dear students which will come in our range so our option this is correct which will matches our option that is D dear students so D for Delhi is our answer dear students so please copy this we'll see the next question let us see the next question dear students question number 32 the principal value of sin inverse of sin 2 pi by 3 is so they are given 4 options sin inverse of sin x is what sin inverse of sin x is x only, dear students. Sin inverse of sin x andre x ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? Many of the students will write how you know sin inverse of, see here how beautifully they are given, sin inverse of sin 2 pi by 3. Oh sir, you have told now sin inverse of sin x is what? X. That means 2 pi by 3 is our answer. Yes, I got full marks. And you will tick here what? Option A. 100% wrong. 100% wrong. You will get 0 marks. Got it? Why? Because you know sin inverse. What they had asked you, see here. The principal value of sin inverse. What is the sin inverse x principal value? Principal value of sin inverse x is what? Minus 92 plus 90. Our value should have to come between what? Minus 92 plus 90, dear students. So you can't say 2 pi by 3. Why sir? 2 pi by 3 is, why it is wrong? Okay? So see here. Pi by 3 is what? 60. 60 into 2 is how much? 120, dear students. 120 is crossing 90 or not? 120 90 ದಾಟಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. 2 pi by 3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 120. वो क्रॉस करता है 120 90 को. So that's why you can't say it is a correct answer, dear students. Then now how to bring in that range? In this range only you have to bring. ಈ range ನಲ್ಲಿ ತರಬೇಕು. ಹೇಗೆ ತರ್ತೀವಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. So that's why since 2 pi by 3 does not belongs to what? Minus 92 plus 90, dear students. So then how to write? You see here. Sin inverse of sin. How will write? Pi minus pi by 3 I can write. See? Will you agree or not this? 3 into pi. 3 pi, 3 pi minus pi is what? 2 pi by 3. Exactly correct? So 2 pi by 3 will get this. If you take LCM. 3 into pi, 3 pi. 3 pi minus pi is 2 pi by 3. So we'll get exactly correct answer, dear students. So then what is this one you see here? This is looking like how? Sin pi minus theta. This is looking like, inside I am speaking, see here. Sin pi minus theta. Sin pi minus theta means after school to college. You have learned in first year this one. So sin and cosec are positive in second quadrant. 180 minus theta means it will come in second quadrant. Pi minus theta. Pi minus theta will come in second quadrant. Second quadrant sign is positive, no here. After school, school means yes. Yes means sin and cosec are positive. That means this is positive. 180 means no change. No change means sin will remain sin only. So sin theta we can write. Will you agree? So then what we can write? This one you see. Sin inverse outside is there. I will write as this. Sin pi minus theta. Sin pi minus theta is what? Sin theta. Theta is what? Pi by 3. Sin pi by 3 I can write. Now just you have told sin inverse of sin x is what? X only. X is what here? Pi by 3. Sin inverse of sin x is what? X is pi by 3, no? Pi by 3 means what? 60. 60 will come in between this range or not? Minus 92 plus 90 ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ 60. ಹೌದಿಲ್ಲ? So 60 minus 92 plus 90 ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So that's why our option is this one. Our answer is 60 degree. That is pi by 3. Our option will matches with C, dear students. So C for cake. Cake is our answer, dear students. So I hope you have understood. So if you are understanding something from this video, I request you please like my channel, dear students. Each like will inspire me lot. So much it will help, dear students, for me. So I hope you will support me. So we'll see the next question. Please copy this. Fine. So we'll see the next question, dear students. I hope all of you are liked also my channel. So yes, no. So we'll see the next question now. Question number 33. The value of cos of sec inverse x plus cosec inverse x is equal to. Which option is correct? We have to say, dear students. Very simple it is. Now try to understand here. So how to solve this one? You observe. Cos of, I will write the question once more. So cos of sec inverse x plus cosec inverse of x is what? They are given question mark for us. So what is this answer they are asking? Very simple, dear students. So most probably you will remember the property. So property I am going to write, dear students. So sec inverse of, can you remember this property? Sec inverse of x plus cosec inverse of x is nothing but pi by 2. ಇದೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಇದೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಸೊ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ನಂಬರ್ 4 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ sec inverse of x plus cosec inverse of x is equal to pi by 2. So this is going to the property I am using here, dear students. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿಯನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ये प्रॉपर्टी को इस्तेमाल कर रहा हूं मैं, यूज कर रहा हूं मैं इधर. So now see what will happen. Cos of sec inverse of x plus cosec inverse of x is what? Pi by 2. Cos 90, pi by 2 means what? 90. Cos 90 is what? 0, dear students. Our answer is what? Option C. C is our correct answer. C for Congo. Congo is our answer, dear students. I hope you have understood something from this video. So if you are understanding, please like my channel and subscribe, and each like will inspire me to do the next video, dear students. So we'll meet you in my next class. तब तक लगे रहो मैथ्स के साथ. Thank you, dear students. Please copy this. We'll meet you in my next class.